Hello everybody, welcome to Deving Lab. What if your character running but also you need to attacking at the same time? In this situation, you can use one animation that could do both of them. I mean walking and attacking. But if you don't, you have to make it. Imagine you have two animations, walking and attacking, so you can combine them by Animator Layer. You can create an avatar and set the lower body and upper body separated, and then you can apply both animation at the same time. I'm going to tell you how to do this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, at a glance you can see we have talking animation here and walking animation here. And for this character, I'm gonna combine these two animations, walking while I just talking. So first of all, I'm gonna create another animator for this one. There we go. I'm gonna call it mask controller. Let's assign it to here, and there we go. Now I need to go to the layer section, and here I'm going to create another one. I'm going to call it upper, and let's say this one lower. There we go. And here, first of all, I need to increase the weight to 1 to be sure that it's going to be work. But before that, let's stay on 0 to be sure what happened. And now here I'm going to create an avatar mask to assign here. So to do that, I'm going to create it from here, animation, and here avatar mask. Okay, now let's call it mask again, mask avatar. Okay, now here I'm going to disable the lower body and the IK and the ground of that. Okay, just upper body. And to make it better, let's say upper avatar. Yeah, that one is better. Now here I'm gonna search it. Yeah, there we go. And let's assign animations. As you can see, we have two separated animator. We have upper and we have lower here. So I'm gonna select this animation is just talking. So let's say on the upper we have this. And for lower, I'm gonna select another one. And this is forward walking. For lower. There we go. So we can see now we have separated. I'm gonna move it here. Yeah. Okay, now let's test it. As you can see, we have just walking. So this is the weight. You have to just increase it. And there we go. Now we have walking and talking. Okay, I'm gonna set it in editor, and there we go. Nice. But there's another thing that you can use. For example, what if I just need one head moving? So I'm going to disable one of them. And there we go. One of them is like walking and another one is just moving. Perfect. Okay, there is one thing left that I'm going to tell you about it, and it's going to be completely useful in this situation. Okay. Now you can see you have animation here and there's a combined animation walking and talking. But if I don't want to change the state and I want to change the upper body animation, there's a one way. You can just create Animator Override Controller. There we go. And I'm going to call it Override. And you have to assign the animator. And there we go. So in here you have to replace it with the Animator Override version. There we go. And now you can test it again. For the first, we have nothing. But if I just change the animation from here on the override, for example, attacking, there we go. Now we have a new animation without changing the state. We have same state, but a new animation because it's overrider. And now I can just add this hand too, and there we go. Nice. And if I don't need upper body, I can just reduce the weight. There we go. And that's it for this short episode. Now you know how to animation layers can make your character do multiple things at once. Pretty cool, right? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe for more Unity tips and game dev content. See you in the next one.